Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the exact contact payload and a clean logo. This matters because QR codes must point to a reliable target. Paste your URL or build a V-card with proper fields: name, company, phone, email, so scanners parse correctly. Once done, export a high-resolution logo PNG at 300 dpi and about 2x2 inches to avoid blurring when printed. Make sure to pick the QR action type deliberately. It determines how phones will react, and that affects user experience. Now you create the QR code itself. Open a generator that can produce SVG or large PNGs and supports V-card if you used one. Input your payload and set error correction to 30% so the logo won't break scanning. Export at 300/600px or SVG for crisp printing. Once done, tweak foreground/background colors, but ensure at least 70% contrast and preserve the quiet zone. Those margins are why most codes scan instantly. Finally, place the logo centered, size to about 20% of the code area. You finish by dropping the QR into your card design. Size it between 1, 2, and 2. 0 inches on a side and keep a 1/8 inch safe margin so cutters don't chop it. Export a print-ready PDF at 300 dpi in CMYK and print a physical proof at full size to confirm scannability. Then test on 5 or more devices. If scanning fails, increase the code size, raise contrast, or remove complex design elements. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.